that's okay. We'll see.
We're gonna go into that step 2 at the end.
Okay.
And we're gonna act like we're gonna pay for it again, and I got a service code for you that'll make it free, so that it's not trying to pull it from your return.
Okay.
Now you already did pay for it once, and so that's on file, so that's fine. But we'll trick it into thinking you're paying a second time, but I'm gonna make it free with a service code.
I see. Now you're able to do it from there, or have I got to do it from here?
You're gonna have to do it. So I'll have you log in, and then I'll have you hold down the shift key and hit enter again, and get that 6-digit code, so I can walk you through the steps.
Okay.
And you should have got an email, I believe, maybe about an hour ago with that service code.
Okay. I can double check on that.
I also have it if you don't,
Okay.
but
Okay. Right, come on, let's go in. So how's your day going?
it's going okay. How's yours?
Oh, can't complain, I guess. and I'm your last customer, huh?
Well, it depends how long it takes.
Oh, I got you. All right, fix my return.
Yep, and after you do that, hold down the shift key and hit enter and get that 6-digit code for me.
Okay. Okay, creating experience. Okay, and shift and enter. Okay, continue to file it. Okay. Shift and enter. I just did that. Okay, the code is 184972.
Oh. There we go.
Okay, connecting.
Okay. So you can go ahead and hit continue to refile.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't have your picture yesterday.
I don't think it was working yesterday.
I see. Can you see me?
Nope.
Doesn't-
we can't see you. You can only see us.
It doesn't go the other direction. Okay. All right.
Okay, so where it says step 1, go ahead and hit revisit.
Okay, step 1, revisit.
Okay, and we're going to leave the TurboTax self-employment version, so scroll down. We're going to have to remove the max benefits, but you still have it because you did pay for it originally. But for this option, we're going to remove it. So scroll back up just a little bit.
Okay.
Right here where it says max benefits, hit remove.
Okay. Where is...
It's over towards the left.
Oh,
in
this
blue.
one?
Yep, right
Okay.
there.
Okay. All right. And
Go
remove.
ahead and hit remove.
Move again. Okay. Remove benefits.
And then you want to scroll down and scroll back up.
Okay.
We want to make sure it's still trying to
Alexis, I'd like
take
to
it
see you.
out of your refund. Don't want to do that.
Yeah, you and I have a problem. Yes.
Go ahead and click File off to the left. It's already highlighted in gray, but just click it for me on the menu button at the left.
Okay, to the left. What does it say? File.
The black menu on the left side.
Oh, way over here. Okay. Go to.
Yeah, where it says File, it's already highlighted in gray, but go ahead and click that for me.
Okay.
You need to find the option to change it from removing it from your... Go ahead and hit revisit again on step 1. I didn't see where we could change it.
I
You
didn't.
want to change it where it doesn't say deduct from your return.
Oh, okay. As if I was going to paper file.
Yeah, no, we want to change it like you're going to pay by credit card is what we want it to look like.
Oh, I got you. Add to.
But I'm going to give you a service code that makes it 0, so it shouldn't.
Okay. So add to order.
No, that's the max thing.
Okay.
Hold on 1 second. Let me look.
Okay.
So there's something that says payment options. Scroll down to the bottom. See if there's something that says. Oh, go to view payment options.
Okay. Oh, okay. Here we go. Okay. Yep. Okay.
Go ahead and click
Pay with credit card.
pay with credit card. I think we got to go back a screen and put in that service code, but okay. Actually hit back twice. We want to go back twice.
Okay. Back.
Okay, scroll down to the bottom. You see where it says I have a service code?
Okay. Yep.
Click that.
All right.
And then this code is all in capital letters.
Okay. Go ahead.
It is Q
All right.
V
Okay. Cool. There we go. Q V.
4
Okay. 4. Oh. No.
W
All right. 4. W. Okay.
U
U.
R
R.
6 4
6 4.
Y
Y.
G
G.
X
X.
W and C.
And C. And Charlie. Okay.
Go ahead and hit continue.
Okay.
And go ahead and hit continue again.
Okay.
So let's scroll down to the bottom and make sure it says, does it say free? Scroll back up to the top. Make sure it says 0 is due. Yeah.
Okay.
Scroll down just a little bit.
Free. Yep.
Yeah, 2
That's
items free. Perfect. So go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and hit continue.
okay. Okay. And register. I'm just going back, going
Yeah.
through the whole scenario again. Okay.
And then this should allow us to go ahead and continue the e-file. as long as your direct deposit information is the same, we can just hit start on step 3.
Okay.
I think that was where it allowed us. We want to mark our federal as print only,
Okay.
like we tried to do last night, but it should allow us to do it this time.
Okay. I want to.
Go ahead and click File by Mail.
Okay.
I think that's where the second box will pop up.
Okay.
So your federal, we want to put File by Mail,
Okay.
and then scroll down, make sure.
E-file for state return. Return cannot
Let
be
me read this
e-filed.
red notice just to make sure.
Be e-filed before your federal return has been e-filed. You will need to e-file this return at the same time as your federal return, or after your federal return has been e-filed.
Go ahead and hit save and see if it'll allow us to do it.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead and hit continue.
Okay.
Because technically you've already really e-filed. so.
Right. It depends on if the system picks it up as.
Well, our system really shouldn't care. It's just going to be, some states require your federal refund to be approved before they will approve your state.
Oh, okay.
So that is why they're saying that, but I don't think our system necessarily looks for that, I'm hoping.
Okay. Good so far. Okay, I read and agreed. Continue. Okay, continue. Okay, let's get the dates right here. All right. Oh, there's 27. Okay. Did say okay. Okay, I am not a robot. I don't remember. Did I get with the were the dates correct on the last two? I don't remember.
Yeah, it always puts today's date on it.
It will. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And then as long as you did the robot thing, go ahead and hit transmit my return.
Okay, I got a green check mark, and here we go. Well, let's see what happens. Transmitting your return. Come on.
And it's going to go through perfectly.
Here we go. Hey! It went.
Awesome.
It went. High five. High five.
So now you should get an email saying whether it's been accepted or rejected. It should be accepted now.
Okay. Especially with just those, because of those
They
digits.
say it can take 24 to 48 hours, but usually it only takes an hour or two to get that message back.
Right. That's all it took with the federal. So.
Yeah, they just say 24 to 48 in case it's over the weekend or something, but usually it only takes about an hour or two. So. And then after you get that email saying it's been accepted, I would go ahead and go back in here and print your returns or save them to PDF just so you have a version, because we didn't do that.
Okay. Well, I did copy them earlier.
Okay.
Back when,
Okay.
so I
Yeah,
do
but as
have
long
them.
as you have a copy, and you're on the self-employed, so the forms are going to be there no matter what for you to come back in and print them whenever you want. So.
Very good. Very good. Well, that was a lot of work. Thank you very much, and hopefully, maybe I'll talk to you next year. Hopefully not, but maybe.
Well, hopefully, sorry about having to do the workaround, but at least we were able to get an e-file because like I said, I'm pretty sure New York you couldn't have mailed it in anyway.
Anyway,
so,
okay. Okay.
So, yep, we got an e-file for you, and then hopefully they'll have no other issues with it.
All right, thank you, Regina. Hey, you can find me on YouTube at Dana Crosby.
Okay,
So
I'll be sure to look it up.
so drop by and subscribe. I think I'm down to like 60 less subscribers yet before I hit my 1,000. So and I am doing a video on my tax journey here. So.
Oh, God. Well, hopefully it's a good video. Only good things to say.
So you will be your voice will be in here, but I will keep you anonymous.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, and God bless.
Have a good night.
You too.
Bye.
Bye bye. Well, there we go. It went. After all that, thank God. Thank you, Regina, and for all your help. I know that was 2 days, and for me, that was a couple-week evolution there, and basically, it was on TurboTax's side. I'll do a quick follow-up here, expecting the little notice in the email stating your state tax file has been accepted. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And you'll catch me on the next What's New.